Oh yeah! Super arcade machine. Let's go. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the Millennium Super Arcade Interactive Sport Games game console. 1 out of 10 games with Fire Core. So in other words, it seems to be we're having this slot where we can play Sega Mega Drive games. Alright, let's take a close look at the back. And what you can see already, it has a lot of rip-off games like the Nintendo Wii. So it seems to be this product has been made for the German market. Oh my god, the 2 ER controllers. Oh my god, it's a nightmare. Right, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's see. I'm very curious now. So, let's see, it comes with the manual Super Arcade Interactive Entertainment Pack. Always series have wireless controllers. Let's see what we have more. The explanation. Here we have the game. Baseball, bowling alley, ping pong. Oh, a lot of games on this thing. What do we have here? Interesting. No. AV out cable. We're having a very weird power supply. Oh my god! This beat the bed feels very nice. Oh yeah! We can slap it. Alright. And we have a second controller. A lot of attachments like tennis. And the system itself. Wow, the first time I'm noticing that thing's pretty heavy. Alright, let's take a close look at the system. Alright, so at the front we're having 2 connections, so we can use an original Mega Drive controller. We're having here at the top on and off. One, I'm guessing this is a reset button. At the left we're having the switch. Okay. Ooh, we even have a region switch over here. That is interesting, never seen this before. 9 volts DC input, and we're having 1 for video and 1 for audio. At the bottom there's my little feet went off, and we have some interesting information. Firecore Super Arcade Millennium 2000 GM. Okay, that's it, nothing else. I think it's time to hook it up to the television and let's see what we're going to get. Okay, before I'm going to play, I just needed to tell you this. If you look at the control, there are a lot of RF connections. We have one here, over there, there, even at the back. So there are a lot of connections over there. We're going to open it up and let's see what kind of batteries are we going to need. What are batteries are we going to need with this thing? Screwdriver! So it needs 2 AAA batteries. I use the on and off switch. And after I press the button, this little LED is going to light up. There's no movement in this or something? There is. Alright, now we're going to play some games. Because we have a working controller. Okay, a fun fact that they're actually using the same menu like all the other versions. Okay, I must say the controller is pretty responsive. So if you're putting it here, if you're having the other cheap versions, you had this big problem that it doesn't do anything. Okay, but let's see. Alright, what kind of games do we have? You still need to keep it in front of the system, but you have some more room for it now. Okay, let's see. The controller feels very nice, very responsive. Yeah, let's be honest, there's nothing to do with sporting games. Bonus games. Alright. Oh my god. They even added some rip-off homebrew 8-bit games. Oh, that explains the 1 out of the 10 games. Oh, this is so horrible. Alright, let's play dominoes. Just choose something. Okay. Let's go back to the menu or press the reset button. So the basic games are just some games you don't want to play. Alright, let's do a little bit of bowling. Let's practice. Do you actually have this motion control or what? Yes, okay. Does it do anything or what? Adjust. What? What? So basically there is no motion control so far I understand, it's just pressing a button. So if I'm putting in Sega Mega Drive controller and putting it in the controller port, I can play basically this game with a normal controller. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is a game we can try. Let's start. Let's see. Okay. Whoa. This sounds really horrible. See, the receivers, it's not doing anything. You need to move with. This is so bad. What is the point? So they didn't even try to make an attempt of this motion control. They added a lot of infrared so you can hold it in every position you like. Oh, alright, let's try another one. Spider. Nah. All homebrew games, of course. Okay, let's try this one. Looks like an Avenger game. Whoa, the animations are horrible. Okay, so I need to jump on the next. Okay. That's basically how this game works. The other thing is just a background. Okay. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, we have a timer in the left corner. Left upper corner. Yep. First game, Sonic 3. Okay. Wow, this sounds turbo mode. Okay. Let's start the game. The image quality is not the best. But it plays on turbo mode. Okay, wait, I need to check something. Which region did it have? Oh, and the CS. Oh. Okay, wait. We're going to power it off. I'm going to switch to Paul. Oh no, it still goes on turbo mode. I have seen worse, but this. What is with the sound? This is the arcade remix version of Sonic 3. Okay, but it is cool that you can play the games. Okay, let's stick Knuckles to it. I can't get it out! Oh. I can't get my card out. I'm killing it. Okay, let's see. Oh. No, doesn't recognize. Oh, this sounds bad. Alright, let's try multi-game cards. Okay, I know enough. So basically all of these AtGames lookalike system has basically the same problems. No average support, no multi-game support, no multi-card or like this is combi card support. It's just basically one game, that's it. Alright, so people, for the final conclusion about this more like a Wii ripoff with a combination of a Mega Drive. I personally never seen it before, that's the reason why I bought it. Just wanted to show it on the channel, I wanted to see it for myself. So basically, it's horrible. It's really, really horrible. I was expecting, let's say, a horrible Wii ripoff, which you have some kind of a motion control, but it doesn't even have motion control at all. It's just basically a wireless Mega Drive controller slapped with a shell of a Wii control, and has nothing to do with motion control and nothing to do with the Wii. The games of Sega Mega Drive, to be honest, I was expecting nothing. It's a little bit better than I thought it was, but the region switch is not even working, so what's for that? And overall, it's got all the same problems as all the other systems I've reviewed if it comes to these very old, weird looking AtGames rip-off Sega Mega Drive systems. Let me know what you think of this. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. And hit that little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. So, if you're into gaming, by the way, if you like retro gaming, I also have a Wicked Gaming channel. Check it out. So, see you next time and... don't buy this.